Yeah, hello. Today, my peoples, I am out here putting a starter on a 2010 Ford Escape. Now, in order to do this job, you have to. I have it jacked up with jack stands on each side, and then I got my big jack here in the middle. I got it off of the ground, so that way I can have a little bit more clearance under here. And I'm loosening a few bolts, bumper bolts, this right here to move out of my way, so that way I can have enough space to do my job. And for this job, you are going to need I'm using a half ratchet socket wrench. That's all you need. You need the half. Oh, and also for this smaller bolt right here. See if you can see it. Right here. That bolt right there. I'm using what size is this? This is a let's see here. I want to say a 10. I want to say this is a 10 millimeter. Yep, that's exactly what it is. 10 millimeter. And that's going to go on there to tighten up the wiring on the back of the starter. Okay. So, yeah, it's all from the bottom. You want to jack your car up and go from the bottom. You're going to need a half for this. For the screws on the back of the starter to unloosen, you need a half. You need a 10. And then also, to mount the starter back. These bolts right here. These are the bolts that mount the starter back on the body of the car. These are also a half. So that's all you need. Half socket wrench and a 10 millimeter. And yeah, it'll get the job done. And once again, this is a 2010 Ford Escape starter replacement. So there you go. I'm putting the new one on now. I already took the old one off. And now I'm putting the new one in, tighten up my bolts, and it's a done deal. All right, thanks for watching.